So hey everyone, in the next Galaxy Watch 5 series, Samsung has made a major decision and made some significant changes. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will not feature the famous rotating bezels as we already know. Samsung on the other hand has picked up a new tech to navigate the app and other features on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Samsung is scheduled to release the Galaxy Watch 5 and the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro with the different looks according to the rumors. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is said to include a bezel that blends the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic bezels.
What?
The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is also anticipated to have a significantly longer battery life than the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. So according to the Tech Talk TV, the Galaxy Watch 5 and the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro have a big design variations. He is the one who released the first ever hands-on images of the Galaxy Z Flip 4 on the internet, so I believe we can trust him. According to the Tech Talk TV, the standard Galaxy Watch 5 will have the same design as the Galaxy Watch 4, which has a flat display surrounded by a touch-sensitive bezel. With the Galaxy Watch Active 2, Samsung adopted this bezel type, however with the Galaxy Watch 3 they went back to the rotating bezel. Samsung is rumored to be planning to replace the rotating bezel with a capacitive bezel that is different from the one found on the Galaxy Watch Active 2 and the Galaxy Watch 4. The Watch 5 Pro is likely to have a raised bezel surrounding it, basically integrating Samsung's two existing methods. In comparison to the Galaxy Watch 4's flat bezels, the increased bezels will improve usability by avoiding accidental display touches according to Tech Talk TV. Moving on, EV Leaks has spotted the color possibilities for the Watch 5 series. He has provided a coding picture from Galaxy that exposes the color for forthcoming watches. The standard Watch 5 will be available in graphite, silver, sapphire and pink gold, whereas the Watch 5 Pro will be available in only two colors, black titanium and grey titanium. Furthermore, Tech Talk TV reports that the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro's 572 mAh battery would provide phenomenal battery life as validated by FCC. Samsung is likely to announce the Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro with the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Z Fold 4 during a Galaxy Unpacked event on August 26th. However, as John Prosser reported last week, Samsung might begin pre-orders nearly 2 weeks sooner. So what do you think about this Galaxy Watch 5 Pro? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.